Union Territory and the administration under Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, according to reports, has dismissed 2 employees, Abdul Rahman Naika, school teacher from Kulgam district, and Zahir Abbas, a pharmacist from Kishtwar district, under Article 311 of the Constitution of India. This is the first such dismissal order that has come in since the Omar Abdullah-led government, bringing the total number of dismissals to 76 since the 5th of August 2019. We have Yavar with us right now. Yavar, on what reasons as far as these dismissals have been ordered?
Well, it's the dismissals that have, hit the stand of the pharmacist and the teacher stands the Article 311 that has been invoked against them. Now, after the thorough investigation by the security agencies and the intelligence, it was, established that they were in a deep connection with the terror networks in the Jammu and Kashmir, so as planning the malicious attempts against the authorities. And somehow, after the investigation was accomplished, these 2 were dismissed from their services, taking the toll to the 2 judges in the Union Territory after the back-to-back crackdown against the terror networks and those involved in the attempts of the anti-national activities were brought into. Now this has triggered a massive political row in the Kashmir Valley, because this is the first dismissal that has hit the stand after the Omar Abdullah has taken over as the Chief Minister of the Union Territory. Now the PDP has raised the question, saying that the GAD, that's the General Administration Department, is being headed by the Omar Abdullah, and why he is keeping mum on these developments. And on the other side, the BJP has hailed the move of the LG-led administration, saying that those involved in the anti-national activities will have to deal with these sort of actions by the administration, by the intelligence and the security agencies. Now remember that after the Center Purge Article 370, the government has invoked the 311 section C of the article that has accepted and that has led the government to dismiss any government officer service or the employee service without any trial or without any serving notice. So
right.
This is what has been actually seen all across, that the LG administration has come down heavily against those who are involved in the...
what the Lieutenant Governor has to say on this action that has now been taken, of course, when it comes to the political dynamics that have now changed in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, with Omar Abdullah now being at the helm of the Chief Minister. However, there have been 2 dismissals, 2 terminations that have now taken place on part of government employees.
कुछ तब तो कोशिश कर रहे हैं हमारी सुरक्षा में सेध लगाने की। हमारा पड़ोसी निरंतर कोशिशें कर रहा है सद्भाव बिगाड़ने की, लेकिन मैं जानता हूं सेना के बहादुर जवानों को, अपने पुलिस और सीआरपीएफ के जवानों को, उनको पूरी आजादी दी गई है। आतंकवाद के फन को कुचल कर खत्म किया जाएगा ये
BJP in the meantime has welcomed this move, reiterating that there is zero tolerance message that needs to go towards terrorism and those who aid in terror activities.
देखिए, ये स्वागत योग्य कदम है। पहले भी जो टेररिस्ट के इस जाल में जिनकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहती है, उनको सरकार ने जीरो टॉलरेंस के आधार पर टर्मिनेट किया था। अभी बहुत कुछ उन लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करने की जरूरत है जो आज भी कहीं ना कहीं एम्प्लॉयज बन करके या दूसरे दायरों में बैठ करके देश के खिलाफ गतिविधियां करते हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि उन लोगों को सबक मिलेगा इससे, जो और भी लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं, और इससे निश्चय ही जो गतिविधियां हैं टेरर की, उसमें कहीं ना कहीं कमी आएगी।
राष्ट्रद्रोही गतिविधियों में जो भी शामिल होगा, कानूनी कार्रवाई ऐसे लोगों पर जरूर होगी। जो लोग सरकारी तंत्र में हैं, सरकार के सिस्टम का हिस्सा होकर जो आतंकी गतिविधियों में शामिल हैं, जो राष्ट्रद्रोह करते हैं, उनके खिलाफ सख्त कानूनी कार्रवाई के प्रावधान कानून में हैं।